Are you paying for a CRM, but not getting the most out of it? Do you struggle with using your CRM to hold your salespeople accountable? Don't worry, you're not alone. We're going to discuss how to use your CRM the right way for producer accountability. So buckle up and let's go. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Mick Hunt, CEO of Premier Strategy Box and lover of all things RevOps, Sales Ops, producer development, and of course, my North Carolina Tar Heels. If you want to continue to learn more about accountability, producer development, producer compensation, leadership development, automation, EBITDA growth, and much, much more, then make sure that you hit the subscribe, hit the like, and for instant notifications, hit that bell as well. So in a previous video, we talked about why a CRM is important, and I gave you a list of some of the top CRMs in our industry. Check the description section for a link to that video. But since posting that video, I fielded several questions on best practices with respect to sales team accountability while utilizing a CRM. So today, I want to tackle the integrations that are a must and the structure that you need to put in place to put your sales team on the right track. Let's start by talking about the integrations that we need and what you need from a basic to advanced level to sync with your CRM. From a basic bare minimum standpoint, you need to have your calendar, email, and phone systems synced to your CRM. Your calendar should be synced so that your prospect meetings show up, and it makes it easy for note-taking and task management for your producers. Syncing your email allows you to easily communicate with your prospects, as well as store those emails in a singular place for file reviews. Also, syncing your email allows you to do crazy cool things from a marketing standpoint. Lastly, you want your phone system synced to your CRM for a myriad of reasons, like click to dial, text automation, storing recorded calls directly to your CRM, and much, much more. Now, those are the basic integrations that you need. And if you want to get super crazy, you can do a few advanced integrations like lead forms from your website and social media. You can sync your comparative rater. You've got note-taking apps, meeting apps like Calendly, video hosting platforms, and even proposal software. These advanced integrations help transform your agency into a sales-centric organization. And speaking of being a sales-centric organization, the key is to have salespeople that are held accountable for their production. A CRM, when utilized properly, provides both accountability and structure for your sales team. Daily tasks like who to call, who to follow up with, who to send contact to, are all simplified in your CRM. Every CRM has a task section where producers can start their day, giving them the structure that they need to succeed. With this task structure, sales managers and owners get true visibility into what their salespeople have going on each day, each week, and each month. And if you have some of the integrations that I mentioned earlier, your salespeople have a much easier platform to do their job. Imagine for a second, your salespeople logging into their CRM each morning, knowing the 25 prospects that they need to call, have the ability to click to dial, have note-taking integration, and having those calls automatically stored in the prospect file. These things are no longer dreams. They can truly be reality. And let's take it a step further. Imagine you as a sales leader being able to see exactly what's going on with your sales team and their pipeline. Imagine being able to coach more precisely by seeing where deals are won or lost, or being able to forecast revenue by seeing what's in the pipeline. Again, these things are possible when you start utilizing your CRM the right way. So my question for you is this: what is the first step that you are going to take to put your CRM in motion? Let me know in the comment section. And if you get value out of this video, don't forget to press that like button or share it with a friend and focus on using the lessons learned in today's video to get that CRM truly in place. And always remember, how you do small things is how you do all things. I'll see you in the next video.